Bienvenue sur notre chaîne. Welcome to our channel. Hélène et Serge. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're heading to Upper Antelope Canyon, which is right here on the bottom. It's in Arizona, and there's also a lower Antelope Canyon, which is different. It's another place. It's just next to it. So that morning we left our campground from whit campground on Lake Powell, and we drove south on Route 89, passing again near the Glen Canyon Dam, and took the Route 98 east right up to the parking lot of the Upper Antelope Canyon, which is right here. And from there, you jump on a truck, in the back of the truck, and the guide brings you right up to the entry of the canyon. And once you're here, you visit the canyon. You come out on this side, and then you head back the same way you came in. You got to follow the guide all the time. After that, we came back, and we took the car, and we took the Indian route 222 north, passing near the lower Antelope Canyon, but you won't see it in the video. And then we headed to the Antelope Point. This is where the video will finish. We'll have a short view of the area here. So hope you have a nice viewing, and see you in the next one. Bye. C'est vraiment beau, hein? Le meilleur moment pour visiter est vers 11 heures, car le soleil pénètre dans le canyon. The best time to visit is around 11 o'clock, because the sun entered the canyon.
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait là?
Là, on s'en va dans le char, là, dans le moment. Et on va passer par là. J'espère que vous avez aimé cette vidéo. N'hésitez pas à vous abonner pour voir plus d'aventures. I hope you loved this video. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to see more adventures.